Hello. We are at, or we're going to be at, Fern Branch Falls. Um, the easiest way to tell you how to get here would be uh, come out 321 from Gatlinburg, take a right into the Smoky Mountain National Forest, and just Google Fern Branch Falls, and it should bring you here. There is honestly, adequate parking. We just had a picnic here. Actually, I'll show you where we had it. We bring our table and chairs, and we just found us a little picnic spot right here in front of the truck. So we just had our lunch, but there is a picnic area, I don't know, about a mile down the road. This is a loop, one way in right here, but there's a picnic area, and this is a 2 mile hike in and out, but we're going to use our tracker. We'll let you know about that. It's mostly uphill all the way, and then you come back down on the way out. So we're going to get to it, and there's a lot of historical things on the way. You follow this road for about a mile up, walk up the road, and then you go off the road up a trail, and it gets a little bit steeper. That's what we've heard. We've never been here, so we'll fill you in as we go. We're taking the Porter's Creek Trail. Here's all the trails, but you can also, something we've already done, but you can get to Mount LeConte from here, 9.1 miles. I don't think I'd go from here. No way. But you'll walk on a road like this for about a mile. Then we'll go off road. We'll show you when we get there. So I don't know, maybe we're a tenth of a mile in, but just on the way up, guys, look. It's hard to see. But look at that. Video does not do it justice. That is the most beautiful thing. Little set of steps right off the trail. What's up there, babe? Must not be too much of nothing. But yeah, they're just like right off the trail. Alright, you guys, right off the road. I think this is the cemetery that you can stop and look at on the way up. I love looking at these historical sites, old cemeteries, old cabins. Sorry about the breathing hard. It's been uphill. There's a butterfly. It's a little cemetery. 1878 to 1903. That wasn't long. (1836 to 1909), 1849 to 1904. And there's a baby gone to be with Jesus. He was 4 days old, or she, Bessie. Back then, any little sickness could take you. This one was 2 years old, Ruth Ownby. But anyway, I really love historical sites like this. Long gone, but not forgotten. In the arms of Jesus, hopefully. Oh, this looks like a really old one. Well, you can't even see there's nothing left on it. Wait a minute, I think I can see something. Looks like '09 down there at the bottom. But anyway, all these are grave markers. I think they should be honored and respected. And I like places like this, historical places, not graveyards in particular. But anyway, we're gonna get back on this trail. It's been enough time here, huh, babe? All right, so we made it here. This is the turnoff. This is the way to the falls right here to the left. There is something back there. I think it's an old cabin. We'll probably, if it's not raining, stop there on the way back. I think it's probably another quarter-mile in there, but I'd like to see that and get it. But anyway, just wanted to let you know that you'll come off the road and hit the trail for the falls. Y'all, this is a big tree. It's probably as big around as the one in the Sugarlands Welcome Center. It has to be 300 to 400 years old. It's huge. All right, guys, we're around 1.5 miles in, and this, we just come up on it. It is so cool. It's got to be in the 60s. I know this is not the falls, but this is beautiful in itself. This is more like a cascade. It's so beautiful. This is awesome. This is awesome, guys. We're going to come back out here and get a selfie on this bridge. Alright, guys, we just came up from there and crossed this little creek. Got across the creek. Kenny's at the trail that leads up to the fall. We still got a little bit of a climb. Hard to see it from down here, but it's there and it's looking good, guys. It's looking good. Alright, guys, Kenny's going up. He's going to get y'all a good view from up there. And then I am going to go over here and wait on him. I'm probably going to try that climb in just a minute. I got to catch my breath. But it's a beautiful fall. I just can't get a picture of it. So give me a minute, guys. We'll see what we do. All right. Kenny is way up there. He is going to get a better picture of this. He's getting y'all up there because it's going to take me a minute to get up there. But this is so beautiful. Awesome. Awe-inspiring. You can see God's hand in this, guys. We got to do some selfies and all. I am way down here. Kenny is way up there. And I'm fixing to head there too to see if I can get myself a picture up there. It's so good, guys. Alright. So we made it up here. We've enjoyed it. Got some selfies and photos. And it ended up being 2.2 miles in. We did stop at the cemetery, but that's like 100 foot off the road. So round trip is like 4.2. According to our trucker, around 4.5 miles. It's worth it, y'all. After you come off that road and enter the little trail, it's rocky, it's steep, well, just like this. I mean, I'm looking at eye level right now. Now I'm sitting my head way back. We're virtually on the side of a mountain. I don't know if you can see, but I'm keeping eye level right now. And we have to go back down there to the trail. We encountered very few hikers. If you're looking for a hike that's isolated and relaxing and enjoyable, this is it. You're going to encounter more hikers before you get off the road, but once you get on this trail, I think we've got 2 or 3, which is amazing up here. Anyway, we'll be heading back down and I'll put you on Roadrunner speed again. We're going to get across here, then it's time for a selfie, guys. The boulder. Alright, back to Roadrunner speed. Alright, we got a little bridge with a wide creek right here. Tammy's taking the bridge for sure. Not my Kenny. My Kenny takes the hard way. Oh my gosh.
There's no bridge.
Don't need no bridge. Anybody else takes that bridge, y'all? Kenny takes that. I love you. Coming up to another bridge, guys. But like this is a road. In fact, we saw there's a gate at the bottom, and we saw the park rangers coming out of here. So I guess they ride up in here and check everything out. I imagine they don't go all the way to the falls, but there's a little cascade, but you cannot see it through there. It's back in there. It's beautiful there. Alright, we're gonna play Roadrunner again. You know, this whole road, the whole time you walk up the road, you're walking by the creek. And it's beautiful. Around. But what I like, look at this big boulder. It's huge. What stem is that? Yeah. It's huge. Anyway, I'll put y'all back up Roadrunner speed. Alright, we made it to the end. Back to the parking lot, which is a really good parking lot. But you follow the creek all the way up the road. And it was a really good hike. But this is what I want to tell y'all. You see this? Porter Creek Trail. That's what you're going to have to Google. This fall isn't listed. It's not listed on this trail. It's not listed as a hike. And what was it? What was the name of that fall again?
Fern Branch.
Fern Branch Falls. So, you know, you're going to have to come to Porter's Creek Trail and go from there. And when you get a mile down this road, you veer off to the left. But no, it's not listed. I just wanted to let y'all know that. Because it's literally not listed on anything. And another thing, it has just started raining. We made it back to the truck and it started raining. It was a good hike. Highly recommend. Highly, highly, highly. Especially because it's not crowded. I mean, it's not crowded at all. Most people just go to the end of the road. They don't even take the trail to the falls. So, anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Exploring with Kenny and Tammy on YouTube. Tammy Mitchell Popple on Facebook. TikTok and Instagram is Exploring with Kenny and Tammy. Y'all, come on now. I need some more subscribers. Bye.